Welcome to the instructions for CleanTelligent, the software that Wycliffe College uses to submit maintenance requests. To use CleanTelligent, you will need a smart device that has access to the internet and a QR app, which is freely available in the iOS and Android stores. If you do not have a smart device, you can go to the front desk Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and request the front desk staff to submit a maintenance request for you. They will require the same information from you that this tutorial covers. To submit a maintenance request, open the QR app on your smart device and center the QR code, which is located on the back of your residence door, within the frame of the QR app. The QR app will take a snapshot of the QR code and will provide a web address. Connect to that web address on your smart device and you will be taken to a form. First, select what issue you are having a problem with: blinds, door lock, heater, lights, window screen, or other. You are only able to submit a maintenance request for one item at a time. Next, give us some details as to what the issue is. Enter the days of the week and the times that maintenance staff are able to enter your room to deal with the issue. You can select all under each category to select all days and all times. Next, you will need to give Wycliffe's maintenance staff permission to enter your room. You can do this by clicking Yes. And finally, click Submit at the bottom of the form. If you wish to follow up on the status of your maintenance request submission, you can talk to Ben, the front desk supervisor, and he will update you on the current status. Other front desk staff are unable to check the status.